And this is what your Windows 11 desktop look like after ending up this video. This tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 desktop step by step. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11. First go to Microsoft Web Store and install this library wallpaper. Click on Get and install it, and then head over to this website and download this wallpaper. Okay, now let's set up the wallpaper. First search for library wallpaper and open it, and then click on this plus icon and drag your wallpaper and then click on OK. So it will apply the wallpaper. Now I'm going to customize the desktop and add some widgets. And for the desktop customization, first download this rainmeter. Click on download and install it. And then head over to this website and download this skin and install it. Now go to this page and download it. All links are provided in the description box, and install it as well. Uncheck this apply included layout and then click on install. Then hide your desktop icons and open rainmeter, and then click on here to add this dock and click on load. And for the minimal and cleanest look, you can hide your desktop icons and taskbar as well. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 desktop. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.